This is the series Shopify promotion, Grow with BOGOS app. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a frequently bought together section for your Shopify store using BOGOS app. Let's get started. Step 1, install BOGOS app for your Shopify store. Step 2, go to BOGOS dashboard, then all offers. Then click on Create Offers. Start with Upsell Offer. Choose Frequently Bought Together to start creating an upsell. Step 3, set up the Upsell Information. Upsell name means the name displayed within BOGOS app for easy management. Widget title, the heading displays on your storefront. Widget subtitle, a short explanation below the title. Next, choose your start or end time if you need. Step 4, choose an Upsell Trigger. This is where you control where and when the frequently bought together section will appear. Always display Upsell to show the widget on all product pages. Selected products display the widget only on specific product pages that you select. In contrast, all except selected products means the widget will appear on all product pages, except for the specific products you choose to exclude. Selected collections, types, vendor means showing it only for selected categories. And again, all except is to hide the widget from what you select below. Normally, merchants will start with selected products like this. Step 5, select an Upsell method. Here you can customize which products will appear on your frequently bought together widget. Method 1, manual. You manually select the upsell products to best fit your own sales strategy. Method 2, auto. This method is super helpful if you're using the Shopify Search and Discovery app. BOGOS will automatically sync with that app's data, lets you choose from complementary or related products. Now, let's learn how to set up them using your Search and Discovery app. And it's installed by default on every store. Once you open it, click on Recommendations, then click Add Recommendation. First, browse for the product you want to add recommendations for. For example, I'll choose this shampoo. Next, customize your related products. By default, Shopify uses AI to automatically recommend products. If you don't want these auto-suggestions, simply turn on Hide Auto-Generated Recommendations. If you want to add what you want, click Browse and select the products. When you're done, click Save. Your frequently bought together section is now live. Next, choose how many upsell products you want to display on your widget. Typically, 2 products work well. Method 3, random. BOGOS will randomly display and select upsell products from the types, vendors, or collections you choose below. For example, I'll choose manual. Step 6 is optional. Turn Enable Discounts on if you want to motivate customers to upgrade their orders. Next, set the minimum number of products required for the discount. Typically, this will be the total number of the upsell products you select. In my case, it should be 2. Then choose the discount type. Percentage to discount and percentage off the total price. Amount to discount and amount off. Cheapest item free means the cheapest item in your frequently bought together section will become free. Step 7. When everything is done, check the preview on your right to make sure every detail is exactly like what you desire. Finally, click Publish. Add Your Frequently Bought Together is ready to go now. Let's see how it looks on your store. On your product page, it appears beautifully now, and you can easily add it to cart. The discount will be applied automatically. Customers can also choose to buy the upsell products or not. Pick the variants whose image will be updated immediately. Moreover, don't forget to customize from the widget layout with these 2 options, and also can adjust the position of your upsell widget. To do this, click Open Theme Editor. Under Apps section, click Add Block. Choose Apps, then BOGOS Frequently Bought Together. Just that, you've done changing the widget's position. To customize the content of your frequently bought together widget, or change the colors to match your store's branding and identity. And that's it. You're now ready to create your own frequently bought together with the BOGOS app. If you need any assistance, drop a comment below, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching. We are BOGOS, your powerful promotion app on Shopify.